Tax season is finally here. Thank God, right? Well, if you're an accountant, you're probably excited, but for the rest of us, not so much. Accountants charge between $200 and $500 for a standard return. More if your situation is complicated. Tax software, like TurboTax, walks you through endless questions that you may not understand. And filing something wrong can cost you thousands in penalties or leave money sitting on the table that should be in your pocket. On April 2nd, Perplexity announced something that changes that equation. Their AI can now do your federal taxes. And to understand why this is such a big deal, you need a bit of context first. Here's Perplexity's CEO at a recent conference explaining what his company is building towards.
Good at coding, some are good at writing, some are good at multimodal, visual synthesis, image generation, video generation, audio. But what matters is the end output, the music you play. That's the work AI gets done for you. And that's what Perplexity Computer is. The AI itself is the computer now.
That's the key idea. We're used to thinking of AI as a chatbot. You type a question, it gives you an answer. Originally, when we first started using these, you literally had to give it a role. You'd say, you are going to get into this role, say tax advisor, and you'd give it the exact format you want, tell it what to look up, tell it where to go to find it. You'd have to give negative prompts and say, I don't want you to do this, this, and this. But what he's describing here is something different, an operating system layer. You give it a high-level objective, and underneath, it's orchestrating the file systems, internet access, code execution. You're thinking in terms of goals instead of steps. Now, the tax announcement is one example of this. I imagine there are going to be many, many examples, but it's so smart because everyone in the country has to do their taxes, and everyone in the country hates doing their own taxes. You don't have to tell it what form to fill out. You don't have to tell it what agents to use. You don't have to tell it what steps to do, what websites to go to. You say, do my taxes, and it figures out the rest. And that is a great start to understanding how these orchestration layers are going to work in the future. There are 3 ways to use this. The first way is to draft your own return. You're going to go to Perplexity, open Computer, select Navigate My Taxes, give it your income details, and watch as it uses parallel agents, meaning more than one agent at the same time, to draft your federal return on official IRS forms. It's not a summary, it's not a PDF, it's the actual forms. The guidance is grounded in current IRS materials and regulations. For a straightforward W-2 filer, this is the most direct path. The second way to use this is to audit your accountant's work. This use case is a bit underrated. Let's say you already have a professionally prepared return. Maybe you paid someone $400 for it, and you want to upload it to Computer. What that's going to do is it will review the return for accuracy and compliance, flags questions to bring back to your tax provider, and questions whether any money is being left on the table. The third way to do this is to build a custom dashboard. Self-employed, multiple income streams, complex deductions. Computer can build you a custom dashboard for the parts of the tax code that apply specifically to your situation. Now, it's important to note that Perplexity is not claiming that their system, which is built on the agent skills protocol, basically just instructions put into a file with guidance from the IRS materials, is going to be able to do this in the same capacity as an IRS professional. They clearly say that any tax-related information provided by Computer is for reference purposes only and should not be considered tax advice. For professional guidance on specific tax situations, please consult a qualified advisor. As cool as this is, as useful as it's going to be, as great a demonstration as it is of the agent protocol and using instruction files called skills to be able to do incredible things that you just have to point it towards. This cannot do state taxes. This cannot do state returns, I should say. Those are not covered yet. The complex situations that need a CPA, we've already covered. You can see those things in the dashboard, but it's not going to be able to actually do them for you. And again, pointing to their own words, this should be used for reference only. I'm not a tax advisor, and neither are they.